The S&P 500 daily cloud chart, looking back to the start of the wave, 1, 2, 3, and now 4. I'll zoom into the current area. First off, the ongoing supply line was disqualified at 44.3173. It had an open below it and then subsequently closed above it, disqualifying it. However, there's another one right above it, and that level to start the day on the 29th is at 44.37.58. Same thing, it's a very narrow band to gap up without going above it, so there's a high of 44.39.56. and ongoing supply line is at 44.37.58, so it would have to have a very small gap, and if it does that, gaps up in the morning and then subsequently closes above it, that will become qualified. It has a better chance of just plain old opening above it, again 44.37.58, and then closing above it after opening above it, and it will become qualified. Then if price decides to momentarily head south down below 43.96.65 and then turn around and head back up and subsequently close above that ongoing supply line 44.37.58, it will become qualified. And again, the zigzag pattern did have a swing point here, so it's headed up, and that's a good sign. So do expect more upside for tomorrow on the 29th. And the 50 EMA to start the day is at 44.21.65, so well above the conversion line and a little bit above the low from yesterday's bar on the 28th. It did close above the 50 EMA, and here's the 50 simple moving average here, so that's the next level to contend with there on this chart, 44.59.71. So between the close and the 50 simple moving average is the weekly diamond bottom uptrend extension here. So in between the close and the 50 simple moving average is the weekly diamond uptrend extension bottom line there, the 21 EMA, the 20 simple moving average, the ongoing supply line R1 and R2. So that's a lot in between the close and that 50 simple moving average. Now let's see what the hubbub is tomorrow morning. Job openings. I've kind of given up paying attention to this, so last week was 9.58 million. It always adds color in the morning, these kind of reports. Then on Wednesday, pay no attention to this. This is completely useless. So then between the close from the 28th and the cloud conversion line for current price is S2, S1, the pivot point, the daily horizontal line at 44.09.79, and that's about it. So there's some resistance and support right around where it closed yesterday.